I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we have our two special friends with us.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Hi, I'm Jessie.
Right, so what are we making today?
We are making Halloween characters.
Nice.
Oh, fun.
Great.
Right. So we do have a breathing exercise today, and I'll demonstrate how to do it, and then we'll all do it together. So it's a little in the Halloween spirit. So first we're gonna breathe in, and then, ooh, like ghosts.
Great.
Like it, okay.
Ready?
Mhm.
Ooh. Ooh. That's a fun one. Thank
I
you.
know, I like that. Very creative.
Yeah.
All right.
So what supplies do we need?
So today we're going to need a toilet paper roll, some markers, some tape, some paints, some googly eyes, some construction paper, and some scissors.
That's good.
All right, I'm ready to start.
Me too. What's everyone going to make?
I'm going to make a jack-o'-lantern.
I'm making a Frankenstein.
I'm going to attempt to make a witch, I think.
Good. And I'm going to make a ghost. So
All right.
what's the first step?
First step is to put construction paper on the toilet paper roll, but I use paint.
Okay.
I'm gonna do construction paper.
Okay.
I'm gonna do black construction paper and tape it.
I pre-cut mine.
I know we said we're using toilet paper rolls, but I'm thinking you could probably also do it with a paper towel roll.
Yes,
And-
I have a paper towel roll today.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. So after we cover it, then what's next?
Then you can start creating whatever character you're gonna make. So if you have construction paper, I know I'm making a jack-o'-lantern, so I'm gonna use like cut up pieces of construction paper to make a nose, and I'm gonna draw a mouth on, and then whatever other materials you have to create your character.
Great. And Emily, what are you going to be using for Frankenstein?
So I cut out some hair, and so I'm going to wrap that around the top. And then I have a big unibrow that I'm going to add on to it, and then some eyes.
Great. If I don't have googly eyes, can I just draw it on with a marker?
Of course.
Okay. All right.
How are you gonna do your ghost gal?
Well, I'm going to use marker, black marker, and then I'm going to try and put some hair on it with some construction paper.
Good idea.
Thank you. And so as you do each step, if we could show how we're doing it.
I'm gonna try to make a witch's hat.
Oh, good. You're going to cut it out?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Got my eyes.
Putting on a nose now.
Do ghosts have noses? No, I don't think so.
Does anybody have a favorite Halloween costume?
Ooh. When I was little, I was a chicken, and that was always my favorite costume.
That's adorable.
How about you guys?
I was generally a witch, but I would try and change it up a little bit with different color wigs, but generally, and I always decorate my house, and the kids in the neighborhood used to call it the witch's house because I was the witch.
So
You know,
fun.
I love seeing all the decorations around. I feel like this year people have more for some.
Halloween's going to be a little different this year, but it'll still be, for those who celebrate it, it'll still be fun.
So for my eyes, I have stickers that I'm gonna put on.
Great.
These different eye stickers.
Oh, those are nice.
And I'm gonna draw the mouth on mine.
Emily, are you drawing yours or is all of it from construction paper?
So I'm gonna draw the little stitches and a mouth on with a marker, but
Mhm.
the rest is construction paper.
Great. And Peggy, I'm trying your method of curling hair by wrapping it around a
Oh,
pencil so that my ghost can have curls.
oh, see, good job, gal.
Thank you.
I know.
I learned it from you.
I'm trying to think how I want to make my hair. How did you do? Emily, you did hair, right?
I did. So I just took a strip and then started cutting triangles in it.
Okay. Right. Let's see.
Jesse, how's yours coming?
Good. I'm drawing the mouth right now. But this is it so far.
Oh, that's great. It would be fun if you have a lot of rolls to do a whole bunch of these.
Yeah, that would be fun. And they make a really good decoration too.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is mine before I start with the markers.
Nice.
Nice.
Ooh.
Well, I like this because you can do just about anything.
Yeah. When you painted yours, how long do you think it took to dry?
Probably like 10 minutes.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to try to curl my hair, but.
And like we always say, there's no right or wrong in art, so anything goes. You can make these however you want.
That's good to know because
Yeah.
I'm having trouble with my hair.
Yeah, I'm having a bit of trouble with the mouth too. It's hard to color when it's on the roll, but it's still fun.
Yeah. All right, here's my hair so far.
Oh, it looks good.
Thank you.
I like how you curled it a lot.
Thank you. And one thing I want to remind everyone is when you're cutting, if you're using a scissors and you need some help, make sure to ask a friend or a caregiver or a parent to help you.
We've done a lot of different things with toilet paper rolls, like we did the people a while back. So I feel like I'm going to have a whole family of toilet paper roll
Me too.
people.
Well, this is like our family we already made, but they dressed up. So this is like them underneath.
All right, I'm almost done, I think.
So,
Just finished up mine.
oh, I like that.
I might put some darker eyebrows on him because you can't
This
see.
is mine.
That looks great.
Me.
And here's mine. I'm gonna later on add some more hair, but here's mine so far.
Oh, I like it.
Thank you.
All right, you ready for mine?
Yes.
It's a bad hair day.
Wow.
Um,
Peggy, I love it.
I love her hat.
I know.
Yeah, I know. I was going to do black, but I decided to do orange.
It looks great.
good.
You look awesome.
All right, that was fun. Thank you for teaching us that.
If you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting.
Yes, enjoy, have fun.
Bye.